frankly speaking, April has kind of sucked. April has really sucked for crypto. It has not been what we hoped for. It's been a month of retracements, BTC pulling back about 9%, many alts throughout the space just shedding value left and right. But we're starting to storm back in a big way. You can see that BTC is climbed out of the high 50K range into the mid 60s. We've seen some alts gain significant value back over the past week. So we're starting to look better in that regard. Hopefully this is enough momentum to carry us to close April on a very positive note, leading into May. This is where people have many questions about what we are going to see in May. Are we going to see more of the same here, or is it going to be a different tune? There is a common saying that floats around for the month of May. It's called stay away May, because historically speaking, May has not been the greatest month in terms of stocks, crypto, many assets throughout the world. However, there is some data that shows that we may in fact have a very nice May ahead of us. Now, I want to show you guys this, but before I do, big shout out to the sponsor of this video, telega.io. They've asked me to share some information with you guys, so I want you to lend me your ears for just 2 minutes here and hear what I have to say. So I'm sure many people here are familiar with Telegram, but for those who are not, it's an open source cross-platform cloud-based messenger that in the last year has been able to reach 800 million active users worldwide, 196 million daily active users. So it's not simply a communication tool, it's a powerful marketing instrument for any kind of business that allows them to find their audience, build a community, reach more customers, and promote business itself. In fact, the recent integration of Toncoin into the platform has allowed users to buy in-platform ads with budgets beginning at just a few Toncoins, promoting bots and channels. This is where telega.io's advertising platform comes in, as it's a great marketing tool that has a catalog of various thematic channels and bots. Telega.io has actually been operating since 2016 and has had numerous success stories. What makes this even more beneficial is it does in fact support Toncoin as a payment option for advertising services. So the great thing about this is it connects owners of different Telegram channels and advertisers who want to reach new customers or subscribers from the messenger. So some big things that people need to know. It's been working with experts since 2016. There is a personal manager available on request. It's an expert in advertising that can help you launch a successful ad campaign as well as track the results. Comprehensive analytics that you can use to track views, clicks, CPV to make sure your money was well spent. Availability of an open catalog of over 5,000 trusted channels that are meticulously combed through by Telega managers, so you don't have to worry about channel reliability. And there are, again, convenient ways to top up your balance via Toncoin, and you can launch advertising campaigns in just a few clicks. So I want to show you guys this. So if you want to utilize this, all you have to do is click sign up. You register, it'll bring you to the catalog. You can select channels that you want to advertise on. There are filters, so you can easily comb through ones that you think will work for you, ones that will don't. It'll give you an estimate down below here. All you have to do is click add to cart. It will go ahead and launch into this. Again, some of the great things about Toncoin itself is it allows you to seamlessly reinvest your revenue into the more Telega campaigns. So now in the bottom right corner, I would hit continue. It's behind my screen, so you guys can't see that. Click pay by card. And we just wait a moment. You can see payment systems, and this will go ahead and launch the section where you can in fact top up via Toncoin. So it's very easy to use. If you're interested in launching an ad campaign, I definitely recommend checking this out below. So when we look back at these Mays throughout history, you guys can see that May has not always been the greatest month. All right, lots of red throughout this column here, and in fact, it is a positive overall. Okay, 7.6% over the course of all these Mays. Now, where this gets interesting is, although we've had some Mays recently, especially the past 3 years, what people need to look at is what we've done in the year of the halving. May in the year of the halving has always been a green month. For example, 9.5% in May of 2020. 2016, 18.78%. In fact, when we go all the way back and look all the way back here in 2012, when we got to the halving, you guys can see that we had a green May, which is right there. You guys can see a green May. So what this leads me to believe is that we may actually have a very good May ahead of us. Now that we've gone through our retracement and we're starting to climb back, if this is a tempered run back, know that we may in fact have a very positive May ahead of us. It all depends again on what retail decides to do, what institutional money decides to do. And now that we were going through this period of acceleration, this acceleration of interest, this acceleration of retail flowing back into the space, it would not surprise me if we begin to ramp up. Sometimes you need that one red month to slow things down a bit for that little cool off before you start to accelerate again. Now, again, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. It's kind of a mixed bag, right? we've had some inverse correlations between the month. A lot of times, between April and May, we tend to have the same trend, right? Red, 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 green, 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 red, red. You guys get the point, right? But every time in the halving, every time in the year of the halving, we've been green. Are we going to change history this time? That's the big question. Now, me personally, guys, it does not matter to me whether we're green, red, blue, whatever. I'm going to take advantage of opportunities. If we have a red month, I'm going to be accumulating. If we have a green month, I'm going to be sitting back, waiting, looking for opportunities, taking advantage of dips, things like that. I know that this is the earliest we've ever had the halving, which means we have a lot of runway to the end of the year. That, because of the heightened optics, may bring a lot more people into the space that are getting in for the first time. These are the things that we just need to be aware of and pay attention to. And maybe, just maybe, we'll continue with what we've done historically here. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I appreciate you as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.